Wow.
So, but I've been actually dancing for 25 years. Maybe it's a lot, but I've done some classical as well. And every year street group gets played. This is probably the biggest class I've ever seen in street group, so good job, street group, awesome. Now, who's never danced before? Liars. Maybe when you were like 6 months old, you probably heard some strong like. So everyone is in, sometimes just forget. Today I'm going to teach you a routine, but we're going to do a warm-up. The warm-up is going to consist of just basic grooves. The routine is actually, I'm going to take a different approach with it. You're going to learn intermediate slash advanced choreography, but I'm going to teach it at a beginner pace. Does that make sense? So if it's too fast or you're not sure of something, just microphone check, 2, mic check, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Good. And groove, yeah, boom, boom, blah, blah, and yeah, boom, 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 boom. Your body. You got a fat ass car, and I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Breathe in. Da, da. Hand, heel, turn, roll, kick. Fast car, breathe. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Breathe. Maybe together we can make somewhere. And started from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Good, good. And you got a fat ass car. Breathe. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Breathe. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. And started from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we can make You got a fast car. Breathe. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Any place is better. Breathe. Maybe it's there, got nothing to lose. Maybe get some. I can't say. You got a fat ass car. Breathe. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Breathe. Maybe together we could get somewhere. Any place is better. Breathe. Started from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll set something. Me, myself, got nothing to prove. From here, it's all feet. You're gonna go left, right, out. Sorry. Okay. You got a fat ass car. Breathe in. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Breathe in. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Cool. You got a fat ass car. Breathe in. I want a ticket to anywhere. maybe we can make a deal. Breathe in. Maybe together we could get somewhere. Any place is better. Breathe in. Start from zero. Got nothing to lose. Anything You got a fat ass car. Breathe in. I want a ticket to anywhere. Any place is deal. Breathe in. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Breathe in. Started from zero. Got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Good. 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 You got a fat ass car. Breathe in. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. And maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Breathe in. Start from zero. Got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, got nothing to lose. Good. Ta-ta, hand, pop. Whoa. Good. Look at that. Boom and up. Ooh. Sit in, trace, ear, point, drag, ta-da, boom. Around and ta-da, boom. Hand, twist, and up, right, left, bounce, and up, boom. I did. Here goes, as soon as you go, twist, head, he goes, step, up. Now from here, I'm gonna go like this. Yeah. Okay, let's do the beat.
Let's go.
Here, down, back. So from here, I twist on the ball of my foot and I bring my right leg across. Step down, bring it in. Back behind it again. Yeah. I love this position. I don't know why. It goes ding, 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 ta ta, boom. Twist and head, step up, twist and round. We can, good, and up, da da, and up. 1, 2, 3. This is forever. Take bum, da da, boom, and up, hey, bigger, any of this. You know, we ain't ready to split. Da da da, ba 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 da da da. 1, 2, 3. I think. Thinking that it all goes away. I could just carry on. Yeah, good. Da 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 da. Round and boom and boom and. Wait till the morning. I'm trying to fix it all. Can we just hug it up? Da 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 da. Wait till the morning. And I'm trying to fix it all. You trying to tell it all. Can we just all wait till the morning? Or can we? I'm trying to fix it all. You trying to tell it all. Can we just hold this up? Wait till the morning. How do you feel? I know I did her wrong. You trying to cut us off. Now from here, da-da, step in. Bow, wow, wow. I'm trying to fix it up. You trying to tell it up. Can we just hold this up? Wait till the morning. I know I did her wrong. You trying to cut us off. Can we just hold this up? Wait till the morning night. Well, wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Wait till the morning. From here, you're gonna go. I know you gon' tell her. Won't wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Won't. Yeah. And won't wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. Wait till the morning. I know you gon' tell her. And goes doom, boom, nudge, roll, quick, and ta-da, and drop, roll up, down, la, sit, and up, ta. Good. Go doom, boom, nudge, roll, quick, and ta, and up, boom, roll up, and la, sit, and up, tick, boom, up, and way. So this is what, you'll hear it in her voice. Her voice kind of trembles a little bit, and you want to try and have that go through your arm, yeah? And this is on lyrics too. Boom, ta, da. And this is keep it on a low. Sit, ta. As soon as you get to here, you know, boom. Da, boom. And da, boom. And drag, heel, twist, heel, toe, heel, pull, knee, reach, gonna change, boom. So that part goes, and tick, boom, hop, and quick, and dip, step, drag, heel, and heel, toe, heel, quick, boom. Easy jump, and tick, boom, tick. So that's fairly quick the time. It goes tick, tick, boom, tick, drop, and cold, and ta-da. There's another two ticks. It's gonna go tick, and, yeah, tick, and. You're gonna go around, and da. Good. And click, ta-da, boom. Reach, hand, body roll, and up. Turn into a fist, thing, forward, back, down, up, close, da. 6, 7, and zoom, slide, tick, boom, tick, drop, ding, cold, good, and da, tick, and ta-da, boom, tick, roll, and up, fisting, forward, back, down, up, in, around, drop, heel, twist, boom. Good. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and yeah. Ran to my feet, couldn't run no more. I was like 7, and ran to my feet, couldn't run no more. 5, 6, 7, and no, boom, no more. Da. So I know I'm alive, and da. Boom. Yeah. So be careful with. I go left, right, scoop, step from here. Sang till my lungs were burning, and alive, and hop. 1, 2, 3. We'll keep going from here. Goes da, boom, and step, hop, click, close, open, close, Step, 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 step. You got it. Sucked. Now, don't take that as a bad thing. Whenever I go to a class, I don't go in with the ambition of killing a routine. I go in with the ambition to learn something. Right? Any class I go to, whether it's within my style or whether within a classical style, I want to go to class to learn. Which is pretty much what you guys do at uni, right? You go to learn. Same thing with any dance class. It's a dance class. You go to learn. So if you feel like you suck, that's a good thing because you learned something that you didn't do before. Does that make sense? Yeah. Cool. Just to finish off, I wanted to talk about a charity that I started last year. It's called Project M. It's designed to raise money to, how do I put it, help and provide resources for young artists in the Philippines, which is where I'm from. The story behind it is I go there every 2 or 3 years, and I'm like, man, I love it because it's so cheap. I can buy all this stuff. You know, I get treated like royalty there. But at the same time, there's the other side, and I see poverty, I see young kids dancing in the street with no shoes on dirt. I'm like, man, can you imagine if they had a facility like this? Mirrors, wood floors, fence, aircon. When I was growing up, I didn't have aircon, I didn't have mirrors. So I want to try and build a foundation for these kids, right? So the idea is, well, there's 2 ways that I'm doing it. I'm selling shirts. 100% of all the profits, 100% go to this cause. Cool. The other one is dance workshops.